Welcome to my next adventure. I am actually revisiting a place that I've already been to on this channel. I'm on the East Gippsland Rail Trail again, and I'm here with Amber. And I am here on a bike that has wider tyres and is more capable of navigating this terrain. Let's go! And I'm going to be doing the whole trail this time, also going down to Marlo. So I've been waiting here for a few hours for Amber to finish her class, and I've had some time to explore Bairnsdale. I went to the art gallery. I also came to this keeping place, which has some Aboriginal historical items. It's supposed to close in half an hour, but it seems to be closed right now. So I don't really know why. But I will be coming back through here in a few days again, so maybe it'll be open then. I saw some art. I bought some bird earrings, so I guess that will be my little souvenir from this trip. And I also walked down the Mitchell River a little bit and checked out the library where I borrowed a book for this week's trip.
Back from No Man's Cat.
Thank you, Amber.
Mummy, when I grow up, I want to be on a bike. I want to be in a hamburger. Hello.
Oh, I can't see.
We did some nice night riding through some tunnels and some spooky, dark areas.
Yeah, I was very glad that I was not riding alone, and we both got powerful lights before we came here.
Powerful.
So,
Powerful lights for powerful bikes.
and something I didn't mention before was that Fed was actually supposed to come on this trip, and she was going to be bringing a 2-person tent for her and Amber. So Fed missed the train, so she didn't end up coming because the trains to Bairnsdale are so infrequent. So then we had to try to share my 1-person tent.
Which was cozy.
Yeah, which was also an experience.
Especially because there were some interesting night sounds, not from our tent, but from the cows.
Yeah, we got a lot of cows mooing.
We're just like trying to sleep.
We got so much condensation on the inside of the tent. Yeah, the tent is clearly not built for 2 people.
But we survived, and it was warm. I have to say, it was warm for me.
So we're cycling to Orbost today, and then we're going to decide if we want to
Kayak today or tomorrow. We'll take them fat bikes on some fat sand.
think of Amazing Grace, that chord. So, apparently the footage of Amber and I explaining what was happening was accidentally shot as a time-lapse video instead of a regular video, so I will now explain it as a voiceover. We stayed with Amber's uncle in Orbost, and he had a lot of weird and wonderful instruments because he's been a musician his whole life, and some of them he even made himself, such as the one that he was just playing in the last clip. This one, I believe, was called an Appalachian dulcimer. Hopefully I remember that correctly because the footage of me saying the name of the instrument was not recorded with audio. So this is essentially how we ended our cycling of the East Gippsland Rail Trail as us two, and then the next morning we started off by going around Orbost, which will be in the next vlog. City Kath here. I just wanted to say that while I was cycling through Gippsland, I was recording a lot of audio of the ambient sound. I was intending to make a musical piece out of it. Well, I have finally done that, and I will be releasing it along with the last vlog in this series. I expect there will be 4 vlogs. The track is called Invasion of Gippsland, and it's kind of a mix between like an ambient soundscape and also some musical elements. So after this little introduction, I will be finishing off the rest of the vlogs in this series with a little clip from various parts of this piece until with the final vlog there will be a link to actually stream the song. And if you want to see more updates, like more of the album art and how I made the track and those sorts of things, then definitely follow me on Instagram because I will be putting more updates there than on this channel. The link is in the description, and I will see you next week for Amber and I frolicking around Orbost and Marlo and kayaking 10 kilometers.